You would literally be mom and dad of the year with this. I just got a 101 U-shaped boneless couch, and this thing is crazy. This shows up in a couple small cylinders that you can carry up easily into an apartment or room or a flight of stairs, and all you gotta do is cut it open. So as I cut this open, you guys can see how quickly this will roll itself out. So this has over 9 inches of foam going all the way throughout each cushion, making this so dang comfortable. And guys, look at this. This comes with 5 pillows. This does come advertised as the U, but check this out. Now, just a quick slide and shuffle around, and this is a nice L couch. The cool thing is you can actually change this into a love seat and a triple seat. And just like that, I just changed the whole look of my room. And this right here can easily be switched into 2 separate couches, which is crazy. You could throw a coffee table in the middle and just make this a conversation piece when you're hanging out with friends and family. If you're somebody that likes to change your house around a ton, this is actually a cool option for you. And lastly, I'm gonna show you what I like to call the kids' paradise. You can also lay everything out completely flat and make this into just like a cool chill pad for you and your friends. And just like that, we have this incredible play area for kids. This is huge. I had an empty spot in the center, so I just throw all of the pillows in the center. Could you imagine a bunch of kids hanging out, playing on this? This would be amazing for a sleepover, or if you just have kids coming over your house and they want to let out a little bit of energy on this. All I have to say is I wish I had something like this when I was a kid, because I would have had this in the basement and my mom would have been totally fine with it, because I would have been able to put this back to a regular sectional or couch and it would have looked amazing. And I even decided to make this awesome tunnel system. And when I got tired with that, I ended up making this awesome castle, and it even has a tunnel with a door. I'm actually starting to forget this is a couch and starting to think this is more of a fort. I can't believe this is holding my weight. You can actually jump on here and there's like some rebound on, like I swear I'm jumping higher. And then you have these marks on here from jumping, and you kind of just walk them out and they're completely gone. So if you guys are looking for a modular sectional couch, or you're looking for a fortress for your kids to play on, this is definitely something that I recommend. It can do both so well. Whether you just want to kick back, watch a movie, having friends and family over, and still maintaining a really nice looking space. And then when nighttime rolls around, your kids are ready to play, you can break this thing down very quickly and have a ton of fun. I give this a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.